For her, it was very important that her painting speaks for themselves. For example, at 18 years old, she suffered an accident that made her stay in bed for a long time, which helped her learn to paint. In 1929, she married with the muralist Diego Rivera. 3 years later, she suffered an abortion that did affect her delicate sensibilities and inspired two of her most important paintings. My genius is her because she was a very persistent woman, because of everything she suffered during her life. She always tried to paint what she was living. She wasn't good with words, but she was good with her hands. In other words, she had a knack for expressing her ideas. She insisted on her paintings since she could get involved a lot of for for Frida it was essential not to accept abuse or discrimination. You will get information on the internet because she was a very talented woman, and she was recognized worldwide for her contributions to society and her great painters. However, there are books, documentaries, among others, that can give you information.